Hey guys, I got an action figure repair for you. It's going to go from this to this using set screws. First, match up your drill bit size and your set screws. Then drill out all the old broken parts. Then you're going to take your set screw and screw that into the hole you just drilled in arm, leg, whatever it is that's broken. It should look something like this when you're done. Then with some firm pressure, push and turn that leg into the body, and then you should have full motion after you're done. And then boom, brand new. Thanks for watching guys, and follow for more.
So I just got this new Furby from the thrift store. He's a Canadian model. I worked on his insides while his fur was being washed. He didn't want to work at first, but he eventually started working. And after a small factory reset, he's all clean and brushed out now. I've named him Dust.
new dress styles. Would you like great fun? Sure have a lot of fun. I love the new dress styles. What should I wear on my show? We sure have a lot of fun. Hi, my name is Julia. I love the new dress styles. I love the new dress styles. Would you like great fun?
Welcome back to another pivotal night of your thriving new career, where you get to really ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? What would my friends say? And most importantly, will I ever see my family again? We understand the stresses of a new job, and we're here for you. It's worth mentioning that due to your lackluster performance yesterday, your pay has been decreased by a substantial amount. Please enjoy the rest of your service. Great job. This completes your tasks for the night, and we'll see you back here again tomorrow.
Let's make this build a bear opossum awesome. Part 2. Keep in mind, bad might not replace your plush if you remove these tags. Today, I'll show how to remove the tush tag. Use fine point scissors or a seam ripper. Create tension and get ready to snip the exposed threads on the side of the tag that look like this. Take care to not stab through the fabric as you remove the stitches. Sorry the camera is so low. I'll fix that in future videos. Once there's a small hole open, it will be easier to pop the rest of the threads. Get that tag out of here. Now remove those thick threads. Gently tug or snip them out. Get a needle and thread. Let her stitch the hole shut. Gently pull the thread and close the hole up. Tie a knot and you're set to go. Look at that bum. It's nearly perfect. Stay tuned for part 3.